Back for another video on CTE, and there's quite a few out there. So, it's been a challenge to get the information on video to you guys because sometimes, transferring this information via YouTube or any other channels, it's just a very difficult thing because you have to almost be in the pool room to get a handle on the angles. What I'm going to be doing today is just showing you the differences between 15, 30, and 45 degrees, but I'm concentrating on 45 degrees. 45 degrees is the angle to the pocket, 15 degrees is the angle to the pocket, and they could fluctuate between those areas, but the bottom line is that, your stance, your V, of course, is important. So if you're not familiar with any of these terms, I suggest you watch an older video. But the CTE definitely is a great aiming system. But it does have challenges like anything else because there is areas where you have to use some spin, and it sometimes alters the shot and so on and so forth. But on accuracy, it's probably the best. In most cases, the shots that you see on an average table are about 15 and 30 degrees, what they call perceptions, but it's pretty much the angle to the pocket. So that's predominantly almost all the shots that you see on an average table. And once in a while, you'll get a shot that's a little more difficult, which is, let's say, a 45-degree angle, and the real difficult shots would be higher in the area around 60 to 80 degrees cut, which is really just thinning the ball. So I'm concentrating today on the 45-degree angle. I'll explain how CTE works in respect to that angle, and it'll give you an idea of how to shoot those shots. Again, if you're not familiar with, let's say, I'll concentrate on things like A, B, and C. Briefly, the object ball is broken into three areas, equal distance areas. They're considered 15, 30, and 45 degrees, and there's a 1/8 spot on the edge. But the area of concentration would be from the 45-degree angle to the pocket. On the cue ball side, I usually aim from a part of the cue ball, in this case maybe, let's say, a quarter of the cue ball, to one of those aim lines, which is again 45 degrees aim line. And then I kind of pivot over to the middle of the cue ball. Some people just go right into the middle of the cue ball and hit it in. That's fine too. So I'll show you that and give you an idea. And some of the people have inquired why pivot this way or that way. It's just a matter of the degrees. The way the ball ends into the pocket, whether it be thick or thin, and sometimes you want to angle it over. So again, the pivoting is basically a thick or thin situation where you want to just make the ball hit a little less in the middle of the pocket. So let's get started, and we'll do several shots on a 45-degree angle. All right, so here we have a situation where you're playing an 8-ball game. And it would be great to put that 8-ball right in the side, and it'll be the end of the game. So what I'm going to be doing right now is just concentrating on hitting the 8 in the corner. That means I have to line up with my eyesight. My left eye is dominant, so I'm looking at the center of the cue ball to a 1/2 inch from the object ball. Also, I'm looking at the edge of the cue ball to the A spot. So that's the edge of the cue ball to A. Those two lines are important. The parallax line would be from a quarter of the cue ball to the edge of the object ball. Okay? So I'm coming in, I'm tweaking my eyes, my V now, I kind of know where it's going. My left leg is kind of like looking behind that sight line, and that's my position. All I got to do is aim for the quarter of the cue ball to the A spot, and then pivot over. So it's pivot over, that's the pivot. And it was very close. I'm going to line it up again. My 1/2 inch is right there. My aim line is going to be from my side of the cue ball to A, pivoting over. All I got to do, quarter of the cue ball, 1/2 inch tip from the cue ball, 1/2 inch to the right, and then moving over to pivot. So pivot, aiming at that spot, pivoting over. Okay, the one ball is just above the side of the pocket. It's probably about parallel to the dot. The cue ball is on the spot. This is a right corner shot. You can put it, of course, in the left corner as well. So what I'm basically doing when I come in to see a shot like this, I'm going to be aiming or looking at, in the line of sight, this is the sight line, from the middle of the cue ball to a half an inch from the object ball. That tells me where to kind of put my leg, my foot, my V. Very important to put the V down in the right spot, so when you pivot over, you'll be in the right area. Again, my sight line, right there, half an inch over. I'm looking at that, and I'm also looking at the same time, I'm looking at my right side of the cue ball to the A spot. When I come in, I'm coming in at a half a tip off center to the cue ball, aiming at the A spot, okay? When I come in, I'm just gonna do from left to right, coming in, concentrating on the A spot, pivoting over, a half a tip, and there you are. Work on your 45s. They're really good to work on, and see you in the next video. Please subscribe. Bye.